Can you guys tell me where lentils originated from? Does anyone know? Drop a comment because we are about to cook these lentils. This is the Wednesday menu for today. Hello my dearest, how you guys doing? Okay, I'm gonna show you the ingredients that we cooking today. We're doing what? We cooking lentils. This is my outfit for the day. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, it's my leggings. I just came back from working out. So since I told you guys I'm actually trying to lose weight, okay, so we're gonna cook lentils. And do you guys know when you guys are feeling a little bit down and everything, guess what? I went to my favorite grocery store, you guys can guess. It's actually Trader Joe's, and I got myself some flowers to make myself feel good. Okay, when you're feeling down, you're feeling uncertain, sometimes you have to do something good for yourself. Okay, so I got me some flowers. Look at it. Look how cute they are. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. We doing lentils today, but I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about where the lentils originated from. Lentils originated from the Middle East, the ancient Middle East, right? And then from there it became to be staple all around the world, Spain, Europe, and the biggest staple for back then was, guess what? Was lentils for Egyptians, Romans, Turkey, Iraq. It actually originated from the Middle East, Iraq, and all those regions. Okay, so it has been around before Jesus was born. It has been around for more than 10,000 years, but what is recorded is 10,000 years. BC. Okay, BC, before Christ. So this has been around, and guess what? The benefits of lentils actually is it gives you iron for the people who have iron deficiency. In Europe, we eat it at least twice a week. Okay, and we do it very, very, very simple. Okay, and it has been known that over time it can make you lose weight. It also has a lot of fiber, which is really, really good for your digestion. So the ingredients that we're going to be using today is tomato. Okay, of course the staple is lentils. Okay, garlic head, we're going to put the whole head inside because in Spain we do it very, very simple. Okay, bay leaf, right? Bay leaf, right? Like I said before, potato, one potato, onion is already been peeled. Okay, olive oil, chicken broth, which is the secret. Okay, and that's it. So we are going to start in peeling the potato. Okay, it's very simple, very great. Okay, it's really, really good. So my dearest, you guys know that this channel is all about fire prevention, anything related to fire. But we didn't just stop there. Okay, for my ladies and gentlemen who want to become firefighters or fire prevention inspectors, this is your girl. Okay, we're going to talk about fashion, we're going to talk about Spain, Equatorial Guinea, cooking, which we do on Wednesdays already. Then on Thursdays, I speak only Spanish on my channel. Okay, Fridays we talk about Bioco, we're going to talk about Spain. So it's going to be food. We're already doing all that. Okay, so now we have peeled the potato. We're going to cut it like in cubes. So we're going to bring that so you guys can see how I'm working with the ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna cut the potato into cubes. Okay, right, like that. Okay, so the potato one, you know what a potato does? It actually gives a little bit of the thickness, so it's not too watery. You know, the lentils, that's how we do it. We do it very simple in Spain. Okay, we don't do too much to it. Okay, so we have the potatoes now, right? So now we're gonna cut the onion. Usually we will use more the yellow onion because that is the Spanish onion, and we also cut it in cubes. Okay, right? But because me, I like color, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some red onion also. So we put a lot of onion. All right, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of this red onions. Okay, and right, we gonna cut the tomato into little pieces. Usually it's a big tomato, we use the big one. So we usually use the big tomatoes, but I like the little cherry tomatoes. So now that we have cut our ingredients are ready, right? And obviously, guess what? I'm always the sort of type of person that I love to wash all my stuff. Okay, so you guys hold on a second, I will be back. So how you guys doing? Are you guys doing good? Are you guys doing okay? How is life treating you guys? I just want to say thank you so much for taking time, you know, to watch my videos. You know, I just appreciate it very much. So please drop a comment, let me know what you would like to see. Okay, and this is the lentils. Okay, so they're washed. So now we're gonna heat the pan that we're gonna be cooking in. Okay, so yes, you know, lately so much have been happening that, you know, sometimes you feel down, you feel like you can't get out of something, then you're going back into something else. You know, a lot is happening, but stay strong. Okay, you guys have to stay strong. Okay, and for my mamas out there, you know, stay strong. I know you do a lot for the whole family, and sometimes you have to take care of yourself. Okay, and I didn't show you guys, usually I do three garlic cloves, and look, I smash it a little bit. I know sometimes I do it in the African style. Okay, you see it? Okay, we used to with knife, so we're not afraid of knife. Okay, so I'm gonna put actually 3 garlic cloves, and we're gonna start with the ingredients. I'm just waiting for the pot to heat a little bit. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're actually gonna put the olive oil, just a very tiny, like 2 tablespoons, because you do not need a lot of oil in your lentils. Okay, although after I finish, I do put more olive oil, but extra virgin olive oil. The olive oil that is green, the acidity is 0.7. I like it when it's bitter. Okay, so now we're gonna put the onions. Okay, we're gonna put the onions. Okay, we're gonna put the onions, and then Okay, you see how big the onions were, and then the garlic, right? Okay, then the tomato. Okay, some people do tend to put saffron, but me, I like it in the old-fashioned style of Spain. Okay, the old-fashioned style. And oh, I would like you guys to see it. If you can see, look how pretty. Can you guys see it? Yes. Yep. So right, so what I usually do at this point, I let it like toast a little bit for it to be like a brown color. Okay, like a brown color. And then guess what I'm gonna put next? Oh, this is another onion that was left. Okay, I love bay leaf. What about you guys? I love bay leaf. You see this one, right? The reason why it's done so simple, right, is because, you know, Spanish women love to stay thin. Okay, they love to be able to fit in all their clothes, so that's why everything is made so simple in Spain, but it tastes really good, really good. Okay, now it's kind of brown already, so the secret here, we are going to put the white. We are going to put the broth. Usually I get vegetable broth when I'm, so we were putting the broth, so we already put the broth, the whole thing. I do tend to put a little bit of more water, right? And then it's when we put the potatoes, right, and the lentils. I think I'm probably going to use all of it, all of the lentils. And now we're going to let it, you know, do its thing. And then when it's cooked, I shall be back. I will be back. So I'm going to show you guys one more time for you guys to see the colorful. And obviously you can put salt at your taste. I'm going to put a bit of chicken bouillon, but you guys can put salt at your taste. Okay, usually in Spain sometimes they don't put salt because some people don't like salt in their stuff. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys to see how beautiful it's looking. Look at it. Okay, so we shall be back in about 25 minutes. It's looking beautiful. It took about 40 minutes to actually to cook, you know, and since you already have potato inside, you do not need any other carbohydrate. The secret about Europe, they don't mix carbohydrates. You know, if you're having one carbohydrate, do not have a second one. Okay, so this is for more for the people who want to lose weight, okay, like me. So yes, it does not have no meat, no anything. So we are finished, right? So I'm gonna put some in the plate since it's a very late. You know, it's 10 o'clock, so I'm not gonna eat a lot because usually by this time I already ate. Okay, so look how cute it's looking. Okay, where's my spoon at? Erika, what do you think?
It was good.
It was good? Look at it. So for a comfort great food, these lentils already have, like I said, already have the potato, so you do not need other carbohydrates. Sometimes you eat it with rice, another time in the Spanish where we eat it with bread. Sometimes, okay, for the kids. Try it. Very simple, okay? And my daughter is looking at me. Enrique is looking at me. It's so good. You guys have a good night. God bless. Be safe. And see you here next week.